GEZ retractable window is made of steel, glass, and panes. It is suitable for both new buildings and renovation buildings, and does not require much change to the original building structure. Flexible choice of sizes, materials, and colors. It can be designed and installed completely according to the user's personal preference. Weight bearing: 250 kg, 350 kg, 550 kg, 670 kg. GEZ Retractable Balcony Window are a bold innovation of GEZ Industrial Automation Company, Limited. Need more information? Don't feel free to contact us.